Moving to college in Boston? Whether it's your first time away from home or just another semester, a smooth transition starts with smart planning. Boston is a student city, home to world-class schools like Harvard, MIT, and Boston University. But moving here can get complicated fast, from traffic to tight stairwells and parking permits. Start planning at least 6 weeks in advance. Make an inventory of furniture and supplies. Reserve a moving truck or book college movers in Boston. Coordinate with your campus to reserve elevators and confirm parking. Need help? Better Life Moving specializes in college moves and offers free quotes, flat rates, and even shared truck space for roommates. Pack smart. Use categories: clothing, kitchenware, tech, and label every box. Secure fragile items with bubble wrap and use lightweight bins for daily essentials. Navigating Boston's neighborhoods like Allston, Fenway, and Kenmore means watching out for narrow streets and one-way roads. GPS apps for trucks can help, but moving during off-peak hours is your best bet. Move-in day usually falls in early September. Tuesdays through Thursdays are ideal. Less traffic, easier parking, and faster unloading. Looking for the right help? Better Life Moving offers packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, secure student storage, junk removal, and donation drop-offs. Choose what fits, from basic transport at $200 to full-service white glove moves with furniture setup. Parents play a big role too, helping with packing, logistics, and emotional support. Staying organized with checklists and timelines can make the process easier for everyone. And once you're moved in, it's all about settling into your new space. Boston has its quirks, but with the right planning and support, your college move can be smooth, stress-free, and even exciting. Better Life Moving is here to make your move easier. Get your free quote today and start your college journey off right.